ACUdraw Pawl Spring Upgrade, HCA-412. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to upgrade the ACUdraw Pawl lever and spring. The Pawl Spring Upgrade Kit contains the following parts. A pawl lever with attached pawl screw and pawl spring. B, a shoulder bolt. And C, a flanged bushing. Start by removing the ACUdraw cover and screws on the right side of your crossbow. If your crossbow has or had a rubber O-ring on the old pawl lever, remove it now. If your crossbow has or had a spring going to a roll pin, disconnect the tail of the spring from the roll pin. Use a 3/32 inch Allen wrench to remove the old pawl lever and brass bushing. Next, install the new pawl lever, flanged bushing, and shoulder bolt in the same position that you removed the old one from. Then, loop the tail end of the pawl spring over the roll pin that is located slightly lower and forward of the pawl lever. Note, it helps if you use your Allen wrench to loop the tail end of the pawl spring over the roll pin. Reinstall the ACUdraw cover and screws. For more information, please contact our customer service department at 330-628-9245 and choose option 2.